Hey, Shannon here. We're going to put in a stair runner for you guys today. So we've already made the runner. It's a 28-inch runner. We found that 28-inch works best for most staircases. You can go bigger, you can go smaller, but we like 28-inch. Right now we're measuring each side, which was about 4 inches. You want to make sure that you're measuring and keeping it even on both sides, because then your runner will be straight. We're stapling at the bottom, and we have it in fast mode so we don't waste your time. So here we are, stapling under the nose, making it nice, get it nice and tight. We're going to measure and make sure we start off right. 4 inches on one side, 4 inches on the other. We're going to stretch in the middle, and then see how I moved it over to the left? That means it wasn't straight on the other side, so I compensated. There, we're going to groove it. Nice groove, lots of staples, makes for a nice finish, makes a nice straight line, looks really nice. Wipe out those staple marks. Give it another groove, looks good. Now we're going to work under the nose. We slowed it down a little bit. We're going to measure on the other side. I always like to measure on the stringer side, not the rail side. Keep it straight going up one way. Under the nose, get a couple in the corner there, on the end. Wipe those marks out, nice and tight. Now we're going to change views here so you guys can get a little different aspect ratio of it. We're going to put staples in between the carpet and the binding. That's the best place to hide them. Fluff them out. Try not to just push straight down. Try to wiggle that end of that staple gun in a little bit. Now this staple gun can be rented at any big box store, usually, or your equipment rental place within your city. It's not expensive. It's like, I don't know, 10 bucks a day. Comes with the staples, or they'll just charge you extra for what you use. You can usually rent the kicker at the same spot, even a tucker. See that? Nice. Under the nose, all the way down. Now we have more tutorials on the YouTube page. You can go check them all out. Some are better than others. It depends on what you're looking for. But if you have any questions, please comment below and ask. I want to apologize about the pants, but we just changed to a different view. So this is a staircase that goes from straight to curve to straight. We're only showing you the straight today, just so that it's a beginner video. So we're doing the same thing as we did down below that you guys can't see. We're just getting it in the groove, measuring, making sure it's straight. You guys will get a chance to see the top view in a minute. Now guys, please subscribe. It helps the channel. Let me know if you want more videos. We've got new videos coming up on where you can buy this carpet in your own city. You can always get it from us, but we're going to show you how you can get it in your own city, how you can get it cut up, how you can take it to a binder, and then you can actually just watch one of these videos and put it in yourself. Usually to do a runner like this is about anywhere from $700 to $1,000. That's what we charge, depending on the carpet. If you were to buy it from us, you would probably be able to get a roll of this carpet with the underpad, maybe for around, this stuff's a little pricey, $3.99 to $4.49 for the roll, and that would include free shipping. Just leave me a comment below and we'll let you know how to do that. But by doing it yourself, you save a ton of money. And it's really not that hard. I've got tons of videos on how to do this. That would be my dog barking upstairs. Now we're just fitting in the last piece here. Now this piece is sewn at the top. You can see it. I like to finish it with a sewn piece, so I put a special 6-inch riser there and fit it so it looks like it's a full piece. It just looks better. There's no fraying, there's no edging, and it's clean. So we're just going to finish up here. Remember guys, please subscribe, leave your comments below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, and I'll make them. We're going to see the finished product. There it is, the beautiful carpet. Amazing. Thanks for watching.